coming in, the National Commission for Women on Saturday constituted a two-member fact-finding committee to investigate the alleged sexual assault of a student of the Anna University in Chennai. The fact-finding committee is likely to visit Chennai on the 30th of December this year. The NCW, the National Commission for Women, has come out strong on the alleged sexual assault case of Chennai's Anna University, where a second-year engineering student was assaulted on campus in Chennai's Anna University. The NCW has constituted a two-member fact-finding committee to investigating the alleged sexual assault of the student. We're being joined by my colleague Tanisha live from the newsroom to get us more updates on the story. Tanisha, tell me more about the two-member fact-finding committee. Who is expected to be a part of it? And we also know that they're likely to reach Chennai by the 30th of December. What is expected to be their next state of action? Tanisha.
Well, absolutely, Gesu. An extremely petrifying news that came in from Chennai, where a 19-year-old was sexually harassed. And remember, the BJP has been alleging a DMK link to the case. Now, what we learn in a latest development, rightly said, the NCW has formed a fact-finding panel to probe the incident. We remember that the team will be reaching there on the 30th of December. They will be in touch with the officials there. They will meet the victim and her parents as well. They are also likely to interrogate the officials, the authorities of the college where the incident had occurred. Remember, what we're talking about here is a 19-year-old who had been allegedly sexually harassed in the university campus. Quite appalling there. Quite appalling news that had come in. Remember, we also showed you visuals of how Tamil Nadu BJP chief K. Annamalai had flogged himself outside his residence, demanding action against the accused, saying that the DMK is shielding the accused. The latest coming in is that the National Commission for Women has formed a two-panel probe. We do not yet have the details on who are going to be the part of the two-member panel, but we learn that the team is going to be there on the 30th of December inside the campus. They will interrogate the officials there, the authorities of the campus. They will also take a statement from the victim and her parents, and all of this while the NCW has also spoken to the officials there. What we learn is that the team will be there on the 30th of December. That's the latest that's coming in.
Right, Tanisha, thanks very much for joining us on the broadcast. We'll keep tracking the story.